Regional Party Autonomous State Demand Committee, Karbi Farmers Association and United Karbi Students Association in a joint press conference have expressed their strong opposition and objections to Clause 2.3 of the Peace Accord, powers to the DC for final report on developmental activities implemented in the district, and also demanded immediate and unconditional release of KFA President Avinash Ronghang. The joint press conference of ASDC leader Sarsing Ingling, KFA West Karbi Anglong Unit and UKSA was held at the Kironi LSM IB. During the press conference, ASDC leader Sarsing Ingling had vehemently condemned Clause 2.3 of the Peace Accord to keep 10 KAAC seats for open category and has urged upon the KAAC to immediately revoke the clause from the agreement. West Karbi Anglong KFA President Durgeswar Ingti has urged upon the authority for immediate and unconditional release of Avinash Ronghang. The group has also warned of a strong and democratic mass agitation if their demand for removal of the contentious clauses of the peace accord is not fulfilled at the earliest.
Non Karbi Anglong along burning issues pudam nang labangso West Karbi Anglong block 1 and block 2 la solong le Meghalaya phan ka hodai ji po Assam government tum kabor ibom apora hut uthot non het jong ke dam tang chiti ni phai pli arni Karbi Anglong long ke do song trok hile ke ora song Assam government lapen ke government of India duang bong Islam don ka top lapen halabang so alam don along ke do ajak hire meme a close lapen asap close aputhak ilitum theglong lo Karbi Anglong aradatum halabang so alam don ka top arni penamasi aningki pung ka paklang Citi ni phai piar ni pen masih tum theglong ada ratcheria song lapen ke hamphang song tum penang anariso ejang tum ke thekire tum tamil salam don ke lake chokche lake sik schedule along ke dutang aja kong anta la salam don pe lagi si kapa phuk kapang cheng lu polam thesi ani ki pung che peklang pon dulu lapen soni bang akoli tum ki puthuji bang ke lahen lo non Karbi Anglong ba Assam le pusitame labang so BJP tum non government kasari bom apora hut ilitum theglong dak munir tum BJP government tum hin pen ke claim pon a policy a program ke chokchi do analong ka kham khedun aja kong tarada phan pabi detlu lapen hini nitum ako ki puthuji bangela henlo non BJP sarkar tum Karbi Anglong ba Assam latum kachari huri tum ke theglong ke labangke fascist type lapen abangke Hitler model of governance latum ladakeban komane jong si BJP song of an opposlo komane jong si BJP leader sum ke claim ke dam ke chokchia corruption alam theda ke nebdun dolo pulutangte pini law and order phala tum use si police military phan hodaisi latum jail ke beng jail ke thap BJP leader sam thang tum si halaso ka che song asong ja tum phan phun ba sam ke teher ke hap ta sonta militum ke thek pon long dolo la sila bang ke litum BJP a party la penge BJP a party lo ke claim asong atum la so oda dur phane tum la bange sodak pani tum pinrem lo athe democratic country long bangala ya ka protest right democratic kili ka protest la bang so rights a bangela ke dove la pen anutin bang kusitame India constitution long tamela bange fundamental rights pini pidet lo
je kedamtang tarik trogarni jitu niltum president Avinash Ronghang Karbi Farmers Association Central Committee president han alangli ekord kache tok aputhak alangli pine khamkhe dun lasi laso puthak pot alangli han hemkang sam bank ponchek lasi labangke niltum kisuman ke Facebook live banglo lapen kisuman bangke press meet padolo lapen demonstration pusitame padolo angkonon jasemet parke amai fanang kok labangke lahelo je niltum president Avinash Ronghang han unconditional waste pen alanghan release pon serak nang po kusi niltum tuning ripon long lapen jongsi kewangjian ni alangli han jongsi release pon pelang niltum kacuning ria teng pen jongsi alangtum jongsi narjuje ponte niltum lapu West Karbi Anglong kusitame pen pan Karbi Anglong kusitame niltum sodak pen asai bangge dengnang kok po.
Mohan Terans report from Pelangpi, Karbi Anglong Live.